nakita mo lang guys, so spinach yung gagamitin mo. So, kailangan natin ng onion, garlic, at saka luya, ginger, at saka itong sayote. So, kung wala kayong sayote, pwede siyang papaya. Ayan. Ngayon, nagluluto tayo pala ng tinolang chicken. Ayan.
Kukunti, no? Dapat maramihan.
Kausap natin yung camera. So, ayan. Diba? Mas easy siya. Kaysa naman anuhin mo. Imano-mano mo siya. Diba? Tapos, ilipat natin siya dito sa lalagyan. Tapos, next natin is yung sibuyas. So, ayan. Ipunan natin. The string. Garlic or yung onion. Then, let's check. So, okay na siya. Ayan. Lipat natin. O, diba ang bilis? O, tsudan! Diba ang bilis, no? Next is ginger. Kasi tayo ay masyadong malamis. So, tips pala ako para sa sayote. Diba may parang dagta-dagtayan siya na ano. Ang gawin nyo, kumuha kayo ng ibabad nyo siya sa tubig na may kunting salt. Just a pinch of salt. So ibabad nyo siya muna dyan para mawala yung dagta niya. Para hindi dumikit sa kamay nyo. Ayan. Tsaka nyo siya ipipil. So kakatayin na.
Tsaka natin, babalatan. Yan.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.